Our topic today revolves around the wealth of knowledge and skills an older PC technician can offer to a younger counterpart. With years, or even decades of experience, an older tech has a trove of wisdom to share. Firstly, there's the matter of problem-solving techniques. An older tech has likely faced numerous problems and challenges in their career. This experience can provide invaluable insights into how to troubleshoot issues more effectively. Next, there's the understanding of older technologies. As technology evolves rapidly, younger techs may not have exposure to older systems, hardware, or software. Here, the older tech can provide guidance on working with these technologies. Moving on, we have best practices and industry standards. Through experience, an older tech may have developed a clear understanding of these aspects. They can impart this knowledge to younger techs to help them understand the why behind what they're doing. Then there's the enhancement of soft skills and communication. Experience often improves these essential skills in a customer-facing role like PC tech. An older tech can guide a younger one on how to deal with different customer scenarios. Tools and techniques are another area where older techs can provide guidance. They can introduce younger ones to specific tools or techniques that they've found to be particularly effective or that may have fallen out of common practice, but can still be useful. Professional development and networking are also crucial. With many years in the industry, an older tech may have a wide professional network and can provide advice on career growth, certifications, and further learning opportunities. Ethics and professionalism are another area where the wisdom of an older tech can be invaluable. The lessons learned from experience can extend to understanding the ethical considerations and professional behavior expected in the field. Sometimes, the simple act of being there to answer questions, provide support, or offer encouragement can be incredibly valuable to a younger tech. This mentoring and support can make a significant difference in their career. Lastly, there's the adaptation to new technologies. The relationship between an older and younger tech can be reciprocal. The younger tech might bring knowledge about the latest technologies, and both can learn from each other, keeping skills up to date. In conclusion, the combination of experience and adaptability found in an older PC tech can undoubtedly offer valuable lessons to a younger tech entering the field. It's a relationship that can enhance the skills and professionalism of both individuals, blending the wisdom of experience with the enthusiasm of youth.